It's been a long time since I've made any clock videos, but it's been a long time since I've actually seen anything worth getting, and I've seen this today for $2 at the Goodwill. I thought it was a good deal, and I thought it was interesting. I've never seen one like this. It's a Spartus battery reserve. Really, it's just a basic alarm clock, but I thought it was cool looking. It's got wood grain. Of course it's got real wood grain. It says $3.99, but it was 50% off, so I paid $2 for it. Wood grain on both sides. And it's black on the top. It's a model number 1119. Made in Hong Kong, of all places. UL listed, Spartus Corporation, Louisville, Mississippi. I guess that's Mississippi. And it's called the Starburst. So yeah, pretty neat little thing. I like it. Definitely one of my more interesting clocks I have. But let's set the time here. 101. And how do you set the alarm? Just turn it on. Ah, that's how you do it. Okay, that's neat. And that's what it sounds like. But I thought it was a neat little clock. I never seen one like this, so thought I'd pick it up. Nothing really fancy, but definitely cool. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.